Oh, hi YouTube, this is your president, the presidential tourist. I just wanted to do a quick explanation. Not sure if I did it well enough when I was at Hollywood Studios last, but basically what the rest of this video is, I wanted to show a little bit of the queue line, the pre-show area to Muppet Vision 3D, just to look at some of the hidden details and cool little things. Because a lot of times those areas, when you're passing through it, you don't really look a lot, and there's a lot of cool things to look at that a lot of people don't notice. And I know Muppet Vision 3D is going to be closing. I think today is the 20th of May, so we're only talking, what, a couple weeks. So when I was there last at May the 4th, I want to show a little bit. I didn't do the show. I did that on my channel before. If you want to see it, it's there. Actually, I think I filmed it a couple times. But I wanted to just do a little bit more in-depth look at the queue line pre-show area. Unfortunately, they wouldn't let me stay in the pre-show area. Whenever I went to the theater, they said I had to leave, even though they let the people in a minute after they told me I had to leave. So I couldn't stay in there by myself for like that minute, which is too bad because there's so much stuff to look in that room. It's a really cool room. You see a lot of cool stuff on the ceiling and looking up. You make sure you always look up when you're in these areas, because there's usually a lot of cool stuff. But anyways, I wanted to film this part because I'm not sure if I explained enough why I did just that section and what I was showing. But yeah, if you get a chance to go to Muppet Vision 3D before they close, they're closing in early June. I don't remember the exact day, like June 6th or something like that. But if you look it up, you can see. It's one of those cool older attractions there that I'm going to be sad that's gone. But I am excited for the new Monster Inc. theme land that they plan to put there, because Monster Inc. was always my favorite Pixar movie. Anyways, let me get on to show you the cool queue line and pre-show area from Muppet Vision 3D. Alright, you know what that means. Let's get on to the video. Yeah!
Get one! What was that before I was interrupted? Oh, yes, I was going to tell you about the 3D...
Hello, Scooter!
Bean, where are you going with that?
Oh, I thought Miss Piggy might need a prop for her number.
Bean, can't you see that Piggy doesn't want any help?
Oh, I'm sure she'll like this.
Look, I'm sorry about these interruptions. All right, we're just about ready to start the movie, so if you listen carefully, you can hear the orchestra tuning up. Hey, no, wait a second. Hey, you penguins can't go in there, you'll interrupt the orchestra.
Scooter, these penguins are the orchestra. Come on, Eugene, come on, Estelle, come on, let's go. Come on.
All right. Before we go in, here's Sam Eagle with some important safety instructions.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I am Sam Eagle, and these are some important safety instructions for you. Not now, don't.
Sam, this is urgent. Come here.
What is it? What?
Yes.
Really? Here?
Right over there.
Well, of course, certainly. Ladies and gentlemen, we have an unexpected surprise. I have the great honor of introducing the one, the only, Mr. Mickey Mouse.
Hello, hi there, welcome to my pond. How you doing? Hello.
Whoa. You are not Mickey Mouse, you are a rat.
Rat smack. Besides, they're tourists. What do they know?
Will you get out of here?
Okay, did you still get my $10?
Get out!
Hey, Donald Duck back here.
Will you get out?
Yes.
I apologize. Now where was I? Yes, safety instructions. First, when entering the theater, please move as far to the end of the row as possible. Stopping in the middle is distinctly unpatriotic. Second, do not attempt to walk. While wearing your 3D glasses, you may trip, and frankly, you will look... What are you doing?
I'm just showing how you can trip if you walk with your glasses on.
Will you stop this foolishness?
What foolishness would you like to see?
Will you get out of here?
Yes.
What now?
We're almost ready, Sam.
Oh, fine. Okay, thank you, sir. Now, the performers will all go in the theater first, and then you, the audience, will be admitted. All right, performers, let us enter in an orderly fashion and provide an example. Will somebody please take over?
I've got to say, welcome everyone to Muppet Vision 3D. At this time, please ensure that everyone in your party has a pair of our special 3D glasses. Remember, do not put on those 3D glasses until you are seated inside the theater and asked to do so by your lab technician. The automatic doors to your right will be opening up towards you, so make sure we're staying fully behind that yellow line until those doors have fully opened. Once inside, you guys can go ahead and choose a row and move all the way across, lead all the way across your row, filling in each and every available seat. The top 2 rows and a portion of our front row, however, will be reserved for guests traveling in wheelchairs as well as their parties. Thank you guys. Doors are going to open in just a moment. Enjoy the show.
It's cool, all the labels and all the things. I'm mainly just going to show all these little cool details. Any of these move? Nope. That's your powder mirror, whatever you want to call it. Here's where we get the 3D glasses. Show you around. I never really looked around this room very much before. No.
No. Okay, I'm just gonna have you wait in the hallway then.
All right.
We reset for the show, okay?
Okay, well, just wanted to show you guys this quickly. This is a really cool room, and I never got a chance to really look around it too much. But there's a lot of little things you just don't see when you're like waiting with all the people around. Okay. Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oops. Excuse me. Unfortunately, I could not look in there too long. Basically, the time to do is when they're like filling it up.
No. Yeah, those last ones, that's fine. So, you know, you guys have things to look forward to next time.
Yeah, my first time I
Really?
I'm going to show you this security office. Of course, they're always going to be back in 5 minutes. I don't know, it's all like props and stuff to look at. But this is really cool. They must clean in there pretty often. I don't see any dirt in there or anything. That's really cool. Of course, one interesting thing, and someone found it right before I pointed out to you. You see this? See that rug right there? Well, if you come to here, you pick up that rug. There's actually a key under there. I heard about that before. I never went to go look for it, but I knew it was around here. Anyways, I wanted to show this. For them to clean that door must open. They cool. Wonder what it looks like on the other side. That's what I would think. Well, I'll show you the key really quickly.
you know, wild out.
Right there. So that's it. Okay, I came back in quickly. They let everyone back in for the next thing, so I could hopefully show you a little bit more of this room in front. A lot of like cool signs. Make sure you always look up.
Good, Chuck. Next, boys. Okay, run, get over there, okay.
That barrel's supposed to be like banana puree.
Okay, Chuck.
Go toads.
The center boat.
Especially check out the luggage. They have these like cool stickers on them. I always like looking at that stuff. That giant pencil there. All these little details.
Jim Henson's Muppet Vision 3D. Yeah, good. Yeah.
And like I said, always look up.
Yeah, good, Chuck. Yeah.
Video display test. Lose the background. Thank you. Scooter from Mars. That'll do it.
These are really cool, like a little pre-show.
Hey guys! Help! Thanks, guys. Check. Haven't I been here before? Good. Wow, is that weird or what? Hey, Tom. Yeah, over there.
You have glasses for that?
Yes.
How technical. Thanks.
Look, there's like a little frame thing with Kermit's picture, and then like a little suit he'd wear right there. It's really cool. Different flags up there. It looks like they have different like rolled up banners. Not sure they were rolled down or it's just a decoration up there. Really cool. And there's some big posters above us. So this is all going to be
Just
gone.
like those fishies on the screen, make sure we are all standing on up and swimming all the way down to the front of the room, filling in any and all available space. Once again, at this time, if you are seated, make sure we are standing on up and using our fins and tails to swim all the way down to the front of the room, filling in any and all available space. Again, this is one final reminder to make sure we're all standing up and using those fins and tails to just keep swimming all the way down to the front of the room. Thank you.
Okay, penguins, into the theater. We
Camp Wonka Wonka.
Your turn, guys. Yeah. Orchestra rehearsal. Yeah. Okay, inside, guys.
Okay, I think I showed you around. I would show you more in front, but I can't now with all the people there. I just wanted to like document this. I'm sure there's people here that's done a million times better than me, but I want to do it for myself. So fortunately, I haven't been in this attraction too many times, but I'm glad I got to be able to experience it before it goes away. And I have fond memories of the Muppets from when I was a kid.
I told you chickens to stay on the other side of the road. Okay, why did this chicken cross the road? Ah, that's splendid! Hey,
Look,
penguins, I got a joke.
I know it's about different costumes that the cast would wear during the show. Like a fish in a cage.
Ladies and gentlemen, could I have your attention, please?
Hi, friend, come on in. Pick up your
Excuse me,
What? You gotta project from the diaphragm.
thank you.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you could step as far forward and close together as you can.
You close. You see, we're doing research on
Come on in, we're gonna class, my friend.
That sounds like a great idea, Rizzo. All right, everyone, we're going to stand on up and move all the way forward, filling in all available space. Once again, we're going to organize 2 of our speed, and we're going to keep on moving. Smells like you need to keep on moving forward. We're going to have a lot more friends come and join us, so we won't have plenty of space.
Show you the hallway one more time. Institute of Advanced Chronology. Stress Testing Department. Content under extreme pressure. Let's look at this one. This one's Department of Artificial Reality. This is not a door. Division of Fashion Technology, making tomorrow a prettier place to be. But that'd be Miss Piggy's one.
There's 5 minutes until the next showing. 5
Stage
minutes.
3D. Okay. Awesome. Okay. And that's the front again. I'm not sure I showed you the front. I think I did it a little short. But, okay.